How to check Cash App balance. Fire up your app and look at the main screen. Down in the bottom left corner, you'll see a quick dollar amount. Here's the trick. Cash App usually cuts off the cents or rounds up the number here just to save space. If you have a larger balance, it hides the exact change. To see your actual cash down to the very last penny, just give that bottom left icon a quick tap. That brings you right to your money page, and your precise actual balance will be sitting right there in that top card area, showing $5. If you happen to trade any stocks or Bitcoin on here, those balances live on this exact page too. Now let's solve the mystery of the missing money. If a friend or a viewer swears they sent you cash, but your balance hasn't budged, don't panic yet. Tap the little clock icon down in the bottom right corner. This opens up your live activity feed. Real transfers show up here instantly. If the money is safely on its way, it will be sitting under the pending header. If it already went through, it shifts down to completed. Here's a huge piece of advice from me to you. If someone sends you a text or a screenshot claiming they paid you, but your activity feed is completely blank, do not trust it. Cash App never delays logging a real transaction. Either they accidentally sent it to the wrong cash tag, or it's a fake screenshot scam. Always trust your own app over someone else's screenshot. That's all for today. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you want to learn how to add more funds to your account from home, click on my next video right here, How to Deposit Checks in Cash App. All details covered. Catch you over there.